Science in 60 seconds with me, Brittany, the black food scientist. Jams, jellies, preserves. What is the difference? Jellies are made with the juice of a fruit. This makes jellies very clear, very smooth because there's no chunks in them. And yes, a pepper is actually a fruit. A jam is made with pureed or pieces of fruit. That's why when you get a jam, you sometimes have small pieces of, say, strawberries in it. Preserves are kind of similar to jam, but preserves contain whole or almost whole pieces of fruit. That's why when you get preserves, you get giant chunks of fruit. And what about marmalade? Marmalade is actually a preserve that just has citrus. Even though there are a lot of differences between jams, jellies, and preserves, they do have one thing in common. What is that? Pectin. Now, what the heck is pectin? Pectin is what actually helps thicken jams, jellies, and preserves. It's a compound that's high in a lot of fruits like apples and citrus fruits. Pectin, the thickening agent that's used in jams, jellies, and preserves, you could buy from the store if you want to make your own jam, jelly, or preserve, or to be more sustainable, you can actually make your own at home using leftover apple peels or apples. And now you have another useful science fact in just 60 seconds. But wait, there's more! If you want to make your own jam, jelly, or preserve at home, remember how I said you can make your own pectin instead of buying it to be a little more sustainable? Well, here we go. I like to freeze any leftover apple peels or apples I have that are going bad so that I can make my own pectin. To do this, stockpile enough apple peels and apples in your freezer, and then when you have enough, you just place that in a pot of water, take it to a boil, then bring it to a simmer and simmer for about an hour. Then you can strain everything through a cheesecloth. The liquid that you get is apple pectin. And speaking of sustainability and apple peels, I want to thank Peel of Phone Cases for sending me a super cool compostable phone case. Peel of phone cases are 100% compostable. They'll break down your backyard, but not your pocket. I got this really cool honeybee phone case. I love it on my iPhone. It feels great and protects it really well. The really cool thing is that they send you a resealable envelope to return your old phone case so they can recycle it. That's amazing. Now you have another bonus kitchen fact and phone fact.